Today, we are going to be talking about multiplying fractions. Today, we're going to focus on a fraction times a whole number. So when you have a fraction times a whole number, there's a few different strategies that you can take in order to solve this problem. The first thing I want you to think about is if I give you the fraction 1/2 times 4. We have our fraction is 1/2 and our whole number is 4. What is another way that you can solve a multiplication problem that might make this a little bit easier? That's right, repeated addition. So when you are trying to solve a multiplication problem, you might be able to think of it as repeated addition. Addition can sometimes be a lot easier than multiplying. So how would we think of this as repeated addition? We have 1/2 times 4. So if we think of this, we have 4 1/2s. So we have 1/2 plus 1/2 plus 1/2 plus 1/2. We know how to add fractions, especially when the denominators are all the same. We just add the top numerators. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 4/2. And if we change our improper fraction into a mixed number, we get the answer of 2. Let's take a look at another problem. What if I give you the problem 2/3 times 3? What is another way that we could solve this problem or write it using repeated addition? That's right, 2/3 plus 2/3 plus 2/3. Now let's add up our numerators. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. So we get 6/3 or 2. Let's try one more. Let's try 6/10 times 5. How can we write this using repeated addition? That's right, 6/10 added together 5 times. Very good. So 6/10 added together 5 times. So we have all of our 6's that we add together. That would give us 30. And then our denominators stay the same. That would give us 10. So we would have 30/10 or 3. Great job. Now try some on your own.